Hello friends. In this video I will tell you some features of Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder. The Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder is a compact and efficient welding machine designed specifically for users seeking a reliable solution for small welding projects. As an integral part of the welding industry, flux core welding offers unique advantages, making it an ideal choice for tasks that require versatility and efficiency. The FC90 stands out by providing a practical dual-purpose solution for both novice and experienced welders. One of the key benefits of flux core welding is its applicability in outdoor environments. Unlike traditional MIG welding, flux core welding is less susceptible to wind and adverse conditions, enabling welders to achieve a stable arc in challenging situations. This feature substantially increases the usability of the Lincoln Electric FC90, making it a preferred choice for those working on home repairs, automotive projects, and light fabrication tasks. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Lincoln Electric FC90 incorporates intuitive controls that accommodate those who may be beginning their welding journey. With voltage options, adjustable feed speed, and an easy-to-handle design, it empowers users to hone their skills while delivering consistent performance. Additionally, experienced welders will appreciate the machine's capacity to perform in various applications, thanks to its robust construction and reliable output. The benefits of the FC90 extend beyond its operational capabilities. Its portability and lightweight nature make it easy to transport to different job sites. This flexibility is particularly advantageous for mobile welders and hobbyists who may require a dependable welding machine that fits seamlessly into their workflow. As excellent training equipment, the Lincoln Electric FC90 not only meets the demands of basic welding tasks but also serves as a gateway for evolving one's skills in the art of welding. The Lincoln Electric FC90 Flux Core Wire Feed Welder stands out in its category, offering a variety of key features that cater to both novice welders and experienced professionals. One of the most significant specifications is its robust 90-amp output, which allows for effective welding on materials ranging from thin sheet metal to thicker pieces up to 3/16 inch in a single pass. This output is particularly useful for home projects and repairs, providing the versatility needed for a range of applications. Equipped with a 120V inverter power source, the FC90 welder ensures easy operation and compatibility with standard household outlets. This feature enhances convenience, allowing users to utilize the welder in various settings without the need for specialized electrical installations. The inverter technology not only optimizes the weld quality but also contributes to energy efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for those mindful of their budgets. Portability is another key aspect that sets the FC90 apart from other welders. Weighing in at a manageable level and featuring a compact design, this welder is ideal for those who need to transport it frequently between work sites or home projects. The inclusion of a comfortable, built-in handle further facilitates mobility, allowing users to easily carry the welder without strain. Additionally, the welder comes with a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for beginners while retaining the advanced functionality needed by seasoned welders. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. Visit our website for more information on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.